guys, today we're going to be making some really good chocolate muffins. They're fairly simple to make and they're really, really tasty. So let's get started. Okay, so to start off, we are going to take our dry ingredients and all the measurements are going to be right here. And we're going to just take a medium bowl and we're going to place our flour, our sugar, and then we got cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, all into that medium bowl. And we're just going to kind of move it around a little bit and set it aside. And then once we do that, we're going to move on to our next step. Okay, so now we're going to take our wet ingredients. So we're going to take our melted butter, and then we're going to take milk, and then our eggs, our 2 large eggs, and then some vanilla extract. Put that all in there, and then we're just going to whisk it up just until it's all combined and the eggs are all broken up. And then we're going to add our dry ingredients in. Okay, so we're going to take our big bowl with our wet ingredients in there. We're just going to place our dry ingredients in there, and then our chocolate chips. And we're just going to whisk that up until we get our batter. And then we're going to take this batter and put it in our pan. Okay, all done. Okay, so when these cupcakes are all filled, we're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees, put them in there for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're cooked and they've domed, and when you touch them, they kind of spring back kind of very lightly. But yeah, that's how you know they're done. Or if you just stick a toothpick in them and it comes out clean, they're done. So let's do that. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, and if you're not already a subscriber here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss a video. And if you do have a recipe that you do like and that you do sometimes, make sure to comment it down below, and it probably will get done in a video. So, thank you for watching, and remember, keep baking.